Are you following health tips that might be doing more harm than good? Some viral health trends sound promising, but can actually put your well-being at risk. In this video, we're uncovering the most misleading health tips you need to stop believing right now. Stay tuned, because number 3 is something almost everyone is guilty of. Welcome to Everyday Health Guide, your trusted source for science-backed health advice. Let's get started. No one. Drinking too much lemon water. Lemon water is often praised for its detoxifying properties, but did you know too much can actually harm your teeth? The high acidity in lemons can erode tooth enamel, leading to sensitivity and cavities. Plus, excessive consumption may cause acid reflux, making digestive issues worse. Instead of overloading on lemon water, balance it with plain water and drink it through a straw to protect your teeth. No 2. Overusing apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is often seen as a miracle cure for weight loss, digestion, and even acne. But overuse can lead to serious problems like throat irritation, weakened bones, and disrupted gut bacteria. Drinking it straight can damage your esophagus. If you do take apple cider vinegar, dilute it in water and never exceed the recommended amount. No 3. Detox teas and juice. Cleanses. Detox teas and juice cleanses are everywhere on social media, promising fast weight loss and toxin removal. The truth? Your liver and kidneys already detox your body naturally. Most detox teas contain laxatives that can lead to dehydration, nutrient deficiencies, and even digestive damage. Instead of cleanses, focus on eating a well-balanced diet with fiber-rich foods and plenty of water. No 4. Skipping meals for weight loss. Many people think skipping meals helps in weight loss, but it can actually slow down metabolism and lead to binge eating later. Plus, it can cause fatigue, low blood sugar, and even muscle loss over time. Instead of skipping meals, aim for balanced portions of protein, healthy fats, and fiber to keep your energy levels steady throughout the day. No 5. Relying on supplements. Instead of whole foods, yes, supplements can help fill nutritional gaps, but they should never replace real food. Many vitamins and minerals are best absorbed through whole foods, where they work synergistically with other nutrients. Overloading on supplements can also lead to toxicity, like too much vitamin A, affecting liver health, or excess iron, causing stomach issues. Aim for a nutrient-rich diet first, and use supplements only when necessary. No 6. Using too much coconut oil. Coconut oil has been marketed as the ultimate health booster, but did you know it's high in saturated fat? While some studies suggest it may have benefits, excessive consumption can raise LDL, bad cholesterol, and increase the risk of heart disease. Moderation is key. Use coconut oil sparingly and opt for a mix of healthy fats like olive oil and avocado oil. No 7. Over-exercising without rest. Exercise is great, but too much can backfire. Over-exercising can lead to burnout, muscle fatigue, and even hormonal imbalances. Your body needs rest to recover and build strength. Make sure to include rest days in your fitness routine and listen to your body's signals. Pain and exhaustion are signs you need a break. No 8. Drinking too much water. Yes, staying hydrated is essential, but drinking excessive amounts of water can be dangerous. Too much water can dilute sodium levels in the body, leading to a condition called hyponatremia, which can be life-threatening. Instead of forcing yourself to drink excessive amounts, listen to your body's thirst signals and drink when needed. No 9. Avoiding all carbs. Carbs have been unfairly demonized, but cutting them out completely can lead to fatigue, brain fog, and nutrient deficiencies. Not all carbs are bad. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables provide essential nutrients and fiber for energy and gut health. Instead of avoiding carbs entirely, focus on healthy, unprocessed options and balance them with protein and healthy fats. No 10. Believing everything you see on social media. Perhaps the most dangerous health tip is believing everything you see online without verifying facts. Many viral health trends lack scientific backing and can be misleading. Before trying any new health advice, always check credible sources, consult professionals, and use critical thinking to separate fact from fiction. There you have it. 10 viral health tips you need to stop following right now. Were you guilty of any of these? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Everyday Health Guide. Stay informed, stay healthy, and see you in the next video.